Hide country on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first go to the Play Store application and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of my Instagram application. Now just make sure that you are logged into your account, then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then you can see account section. Now just scroll down and you can see the option of help. Just tap on that, tap on help center, then on the search bar just search for hide the country, because we don't have a direct option of hiding our country in Instagram. Very few accounts get this option available in their application. Now we can see that to hide the country, we can just turn Instagram location services off for our device. So here we have got the help. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to the settings of the device and then scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps, and then we're going to scroll down to the options of app list and find the Instagram application over here. Now just search for Instagram, then tap on app permissions and tap on location. Make sure to disable this option and this might help in solving your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.